Hello, and welcome to American News Network. Federal judge halts Trump's deportation plan. Alien Enemies Act blocked. Subscribe to American News Network YouTube channel and turn on the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. A federal judge has temporarily blocked a controversial presidential proclamation, setting the stage for a major legal showdown. The judge's decision puts a hold on deportations tied to the newly designated foreign terrorist organization, Tren de Aragua. But what happens next? Stay tuned as we break down this high-stakes legal battle and what it means for the nation. Let's dive into the details. U.S. District Judge James Boasberg ruled that a temporary restraining order will remain in effect for 14 days, or until further order from the court. This means deportations of individuals affected by the proclamation are on hold, at least for now. The next hearing is set for later this month. During the hearing, Judge Boasberg stated, and I quote, "I think there's clearly irreparable harm here given these folks will be deported. A brief delay in their removal does not cause the government any harm." But the Justice Department isn't backing down. They have already appealed his ruling to the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals. So, the legal battle is far from over. This all stems from a presidential proclamation released just hours before the ruling. The White House cited its designation of Tren de Aragua as a foreign terrorist organization, claiming many of its members have unlawfully infiltrated the United States and are engaging in hostile actions. The proclamation called for immediate arrests, detentions, and removals. Here's where history comes into play. The Alien Enemies Act has been invoked only 3 times in U.S. history and always during wartime. It was previously used during World War I and World War II, leading to the detention and expulsion of German, Austro-Hungarian, Italian, and Japanese immigrants. The law was even cited in the dark chapter of Japanese internment camps. Could we be seeing history repeat itself? Meanwhile, civil rights groups are pushing back hard. The ACLU and Democracy Forward rushed to the judge just hours before the order was issued, arguing that the law is being misapplied. In their filing, they stated that criminal activity does not meet the legal definition of an invasion, challenging the justification for these removals. So, what happens next? The restraining order remains in place, but the Justice Department's appeal could change everything. If the D.C. Circuit Court sides with the administration, deportations could resume quickly. If the ruling is upheld, it could set a legal precedent limiting how the Alien Enemies Act is used in the future. This case is far from over, and we'll be following every twist and turn. What do you think? Should the restraining order stay in place, or should the government proceed with the deportations? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe American News Network for the latest breaking news updates.